Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. If you are a software engineer looking for an opportunity to work in Japan, this video is for you. Today we are diving into MoneyForward, one of Japan's leading fintech companies that is actively hiring foreign engineers. We will cover everything you need to know about the company culture, engineering environment, salary expectations, and how you can apply to work there. If you are considering a career move to Japan, make sure to watch this video until the end. MoneyForward was founded in 2012 and has grown into one of Japan's most innovative financial technology companies. The company provides a wide range of financial solutions, including personal finance management tools, business accounting software, and back-office automation. Their mission is simple: to move people's money forward, making financial processes more efficient and accessible for businesses and individuals alike. Listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange Prime Market, MoneyForward has over 2,400 employees across Japan, Vietnam, India, and the United States. With a strong focus on digital transformation, they are actively transforming financial automation, and they are looking for talented engineers worldwide to join their team. One of the standout aspects of working at MoneyForward is its international and inclusive work environment. More than 23% of the engineering team consists of foreign engineers, and this number continues to grow. Unlike many traditional Japanese companies, MoneyForward has been making a conscious effort to transition its engineering team to an English-friendly workplace. While Japanese proficiency can be beneficial, the company is working towards making English the common language in the tech teams, allowing more diversity and global perspectives to thrive. The company also prides itself on the fast-paced and dynamic work culture. Instead of lazy hierarchical structures, MoneyForward operates more like a startup with small, agile teams working collaboratively. Engineers are encouraged to take ownership of their projects and contribute innovative ideas. The company's technology stack is diverse, featuring languages such as Ruby, Go, JavaScript, Python, and Kotlin. If you enjoy working in an environment that embraces cutting-edge technology and continuous learning, MoneyForward is an exciting place to be. Now, let's talk about salary expectations and career growth opportunities. MoneyForward offers competitive salaries compared to other Japanese tech firms. Entry-level engineers with 0 to 2 years of experience can expect a salary ranging from 5 million to 7 million yen per year, which is approximately 35,000 to 50,000 US dollars. Mid-level engineers with 3 to 5 years of experience typically earn between 7 million to 10 million yen per year, or around 50,000 to 70,000 US dollars. For senior engineers with over 5 years of experience, the salary can range from 10 million to 15 million yen, approximately 70,000 to 100,000 US dollars. Beyond salary, MoneyForward provides various benefits, including stock options, performance bonuses, relocation support for international hires, housing and transportation allowance, and full visa sponsorship. The company is committed to supporting engineers as they transition into life and work in Japan, ensuring a smooth relocation process. MoneyForward regularly hires for various engineering roles, including back-end developers, front-end developers, cloud engineers, DevOps specialists, data scientists, and security engineers. These positions offer opportunities to work on scalable financial systems, AI-driven automation, and innovative fintech solutions that impact millions of users across Japan and beyond. In terms of workplace environment, MoneyForward is known for its flexible work culture. Employees enjoy hybrid work models, allowing them to work remotely or from the modern Tokyo headquarters. The company promotes work-life balance, offering paid leave, wellness programs, and parental support benefits. Career progression at MoneyForward is well structured, providing opportunities for engineers to transition into leadership roles. Engineers can move from junior roles to senior developer positions and later into tech leads or managerial roles. The company also encourages continuous learning through mentorship programs, sponsored training courses, and opportunities to attend international tech conferences. If you are interested in applying to MoneyForward, here is what you need to know about their hiring processes. The first step is the online application, where you submit your resume and portfolio through the official website. The good news is that you do not need perfect Japanese proficiency to apply, as they accept applications in English. After submitting your application, the next step is the technical screening. This includes coding tests and problem-solving questions that assesses your programming skills and ability to tackle real-world engineering challenges. The topics typically cover system design, algorithms, and back-end or front-end development, depending on the role you are applying for. Following the technical screening, there are typically 2 to 3 rounds of interviews. The first is a technical interview with engineers from the team you are applying to. This is an opportunity for you to showcase your coding abilities and discuss your experience in greater details. The second interview focuses on culture fit and team capability, ensuring that you are aligned with MoneyForward's work culture and values. The final interview is usually conducted with the company's CTO or senior management, where you will discuss your potential role and career growth within the company. If all goes well, you will receive an offer and MoneyForward will assist you with your visa application and relocation processes. The entire hiring process generally takes 4 to 8 weeks, so it's a good idea to plan ahead. MoneyForward is an excellent choice for foreign engineers looking to build a career in Japan's fintech industry. With its international mindset, competitive salaries, strong career growth opportunities, and a supportive work environment, it's a great place to advance your engineering career. If you are interested in joining MoneyForward, check out the application link in the description below. Would you consider working in Japan as a software engineer? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more comment on tech careers in Japan. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. So before we wrap up today's video, I just wanted to talk a little about what it's really like working in Japan as a foreign engineer. I know that if you're watching this, you're probably thinking about moving to Japan or already considering job opportunities here, but what is daily life actually like? Is it really different from working in other countries? Well, from what I've seen, the work culture in theory depends on the company you join. Some companies still have traditional, strict work environments, while others, especially in tech, are much more flexible. Companies like MoneyForward, Mercari, and Smart News, and Rakuten, etc. are leading us the way in creating an international friendly atmosphere where English-speaking engineers can thrive. One of the biggest questions I get is, do I need to speak Japanese to work in Japan? And my answer is, it depends. If you are working as a software engineer at a global tech company, English is often enough. But if you want to connect more with your team, make local friends, Japanese friends, and just feel more at home, learning at least some Japanese is a great idea. Even if just basic phrase like ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。Thank you very much, and すいません。ごめんなさい。Excuse me. Can go a long way. Also let's not forget about the lifestyle. One thing I personally love about Japan is how safe and convenient everything is. You can walk around at night without worrying. Public transportation is super efficient, and of course food, ramen, sushi, yakiniku, there's always something amazing to eat. So when I visit to Germany, and German people say German late always delay, but Japanese late is so amazing. Yeah. If you're thinking about working in Japan, my best advice is to keep an open mind and embrace the experience. There will be cultural differences, and sometimes things might not make sense at first, but that's part of what makes living in your country exciting. And hey, if you have any questions about working in Japan, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Bye.